This program was highly recommended, which was a key factor for me. Career exploration is a way for me to experience different fields to help decide what I like and don't like before committing to a program.
Are you one of the many students that just aren't sure what they want to do in the future and don't know where to turn? Career exploration is a great option as it offers students a unique opportunity to get an up-close and personal look at Sentinel programs in a risk-free, hands-on environment. Your time is well spent as you research possible careers, learn life skills within financial literacy, and acquire employability skills necessary in all professions. Visits to local businesses, trade, industry, and educational partners provide you valuable insights to ensure you make the right decision for you. This fun and innovative exploration, combined with daily active engagement as you experience firsthand programs of your choosing, is sure to help you discover a career path that ignites a passion.
Everything here, from the awesome building to the teachers to the many opportunities for the students, is great. Now I am the one recommending it as it was an important step toward my future.